Many businesses today struggle with their social media. So they are not sure how much they should be spending on social media, or they are spending very little on social media because it's something that's not very tangible. Hi everyone, I'm Clarissa, and today I want to talk about social media ROI, return on investment, the amount of time and money that you're spending on the social media platforms for discovering new things, to find out what's going on, what's the latest trends and things like that. Most people are not looking to buy something immediately, but they are open to discovering new things. So it's very crucial to have your presence on social media, but what you have to do is you have to align your expectations from these social media channels. Social media is about establishing your brand, getting more brand value, getting more people to know about you. The awareness stage which you should be focusing on rather than the end result of someone buying it. Obviously, we want this effort spent on social media to come to something because you're investing in your time and energy. Have a social media calendar. Minimize your efforts on social media and maximize your results. You are providing like a single consistent messaging about your products and services and letting people know about you, and you will not neglect them if you have other more pressing business issues coming up. So you can actually pre-plan them in advance, building up this consistency so people will know about your business, and align them, your social media strategy, to if you are also producing videos, long form videos or long form blog posts, you can use those information or those content to create small little social media posts to get people to engage with you more. You can direct them to your website, you can direct them to watch a longer video of yours, you can direct them to watch read a longer blog post of yours. That's what your social media post should be about, getting people to interact with you more and more, building this relationship, and ultimately later on to push them to buy. So that's how you can use social media to advance your business. If you need help to create a consistent marketing message to increase your brand value, get more prospects coming to you and fill up your pipeline, contact me and we can sit down to plan a content marketing strategy or social media calendar for you. If you already have a social media calendar, well done, keep up the good work. And if you enjoyed this video, tap on the subscribe button, turn on the notifications bell, ding ding, so that you don't miss out on any more of my exciting marketing tips and tricks. See you next time. Bye.